Alright, anywho, here we are back in the 14 Honda Civic. Got the scanner in it. We replaced the multiplex fuse box under the dash, and we ended up replacing the smart PCU. Got a used one from eBay actually. Same part number on the one we put in, took out. This is what we get. We have a running Honda Civic. It's been setting for about 2 years because of this issue. The customer said he had the transmission replaced and afterwards it wouldn't start. We did find out that the customer had put his own battery in, I think, and might have hooked it up backward, he said. But this was after we had all the fix. We did have to replace a couple fuses, but it ended up being the smart PCU not communicating with the multiplex.